All right. Coming off the ship. We are Aruba. Welcome to Aruba. We're gonna do this one.
Here we go. Let's take some pictures. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Hubbard's Journey. Thanks for coming along. We're going to be heading into Terminal 1 and the great island of Aruba. There's free Wi-Fi in here. Once we get through here and we get outside, you'll see that it's really a very easy cruise port to get around. You can walk out, walk through the shops, go to the downtown area. It's really, really a nice island. Today we've got a lot going on. We're going to head right all the way towards the airport. We're going to walk that. We're going to circle back around the downtown, and then we're going to head up to Palm Beach. Throughout this whole video, we're going to do stops at bars. We're going to do reviews of entertainment that we've run into. Everything that we're doing in this video is timestamped below in the description. If you have any questions, please rifle them along. But Aruba is a great, great island, and I hope you really enjoy this video. We've got Divi trees, we've got the trolley, the cruise trolley. There's a lot going on, and hopefully you enjoy the video, and we'll give you a narrative as we go through the video. These shops are right outside the cruise terminal, and you can get the trolley, pick the trolley up right around these buildings. Lucy's, famous Lucy's. I make some good drinks here. They're right at the marina. Not that busy right now, but as we get later in the day, more people coming back from the ship, this place will be hopping. All right, we're gonna just keep walking. This is a map of the walk. You'll see the Divi Divi trees, and then there's a bar that we hit up here. I didn't see a happy hour at the bar, but what's there is a tourist monument, also a great photo moment with the sign Aruba. But all these plaques are plaques of people that contributed to Aruba's tourism, and it's pretty cool. And right behind that monument, it heads over to a beach area. It's Barefoot Beach restaurants over there. There's another restaurant. I didn't stop at those, but I did kind of walk over there. So I've walked probably about, I don't know, 35, maybe 40 minutes. Left the ship, went to the right, went downtown, and then here's this beach. It's just gorgeous. It really is gorgeous. Last time I was here, I went to the beach on the... All right. Now I'm still walking. I left the port. I left to the right of the port through downtown. Now I'm out by the airport. Aruba Airport! There was that beach I just came from. This is all exercise equipment that they have on the side here on this walking path. Beautiful path. And with some of those beautiful trees. But Aruba Airport. We're going to circle back around, head towards downtown. We'll get some images of historical buildings, museums, but ultimately get to the restaurant center area where the trolley is, the cruise ship trolley. We're going to hop on that and bring us right back to those shops that we saw at the beginning of the video. We're going to find a taxi and head up to Palm Beach area.
Let me know once again, for those who would like to go to the hotel area, that will be line number 10 right here at the left-hand side. Lado izquierda del tranvía tenemos el terminal de los buses. Y una vez más, si se desea ir de regreso, si se desea ir a la zona hotelera, línea 10. The driver, thank you, we appreciate your share. Si se desea dejar una propina, siempre y cuando la puede dejar con el conductor. Muchísimas gracias. So once again, if you would like to go back to the shopping area, you need to take the...
Here's a map from the cruise port up to Palm Beach area. You'll see the walking path. That walking path is in between the hotels and the beach. Our first stop is going to be the beach bar. If you happen to see Julissa there, tell her Michael said hi. The beach bar has happy hour prices all day long. So relatively speaking, the prices are pretty decent for the area. The area is in fact expensive. The shots, I didn't think they tasted like alcohol, but I'm sure there's alcohol in there. One of the reasons I love to travel is I meet new people and those people become friends for life. I met Emily and Mike, they were traveling together. Kyle and Thomas were traveling together. Payton and Madison traveled together. And they joined me on Hubbard's journey for that afternoon.
Time out! Oh, wait, time out!
I'm dead serious. These are going to be the best vodka shots we've ever had.
That's a bold statement.
I've had a lot of vodka shots in my day. All right, these are going to be the best tequila shot. I mean, vodka shots.
What are we drinking?
Vodka, tequila, vodka, tequila, vodka.
One of the two. I want to know.
Cheers, everybody here.
Yeah.
Keep videoing, keep videoing. All right, wait. All right, that did not taste like tequila. It tastes like a drunk.
I
All
did.
right, ready? Everybody do something crazy. Crazy.
We left the beach bar and headed over to Bugaloe Restaurant and Bar Happy Hour. In all the excitement, Mike and Emily forgot to pay their tab, and as we were walking, Julissa chased us down so we could pay the tab. We had a lot of fun at the beach bar. Bugaloe Restaurant and Bar. Oh my God, what a place. We did dock jumping from the restaurant. We did warm-up singing, dancing, line dancing. Happy hour was amazing. Lisa, whose voice is amazing, she did all the singing. We did musical chairs, and it was a fun time. Bugaloe Bar and Restaurant is definitely a thumbs up, must place to go. It is a lot of fun for happy hour. Live singing and live entertainment.
guys. Bring me down. You cannot.
And I see you shine in every color, resting your head.
I think we have two winners.
One, two, three, go! Woo! Shot o'clock.
Bugaloe Restaurant and Bar is amazing. If you happen to see Lisa there singing, tell her Michael said hi. The happy hour is great, the atmosphere is great, the energy is high, so much entertainment to keep you going. It's definitely a highly recommended place to go in my book. If you happen to be in Aruba, go check it out. Keep in mind, a lot of the stuff in that Palm Beach area is expensive. Looking at the Bugaloe and looking at the beach bar, they're fairly reasonably priced for the area. The Riu Hotel is next door to the Bugaloe Restaurant. Here's a lobby shot, and if you see Gigi in the Riu, tell her I said hi. Wayaca Tours and Onward got me back to the ship And it was a close one, trust me. My wife called me and said, hey, you got to get back on the ship. I forgot to change my clock back. Linda, thanks for greeting me at the ship to get me on there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe. Thank you so much.